want to show you my kitchen. These cupboards that I have, you can barely fit anything in them, so I can't even fit plates in there. So we had to find different ways to store things in here, and this is the place that I'll be cooking. Now, I'm not a professional cook, as you can well see. I'm not even a well-organized one because I'm just an average person. I would rather go out to eat than stay home and spend my time cooking because I work all day. I'd like to just come home and take it easy, but that's not how life is. So let me show you really quick what I have in here. So this here is what it looks like in my freezer. It's not well organized or well stocked. It's just thrown in. And this, unfortunately, is a mess that is in my refrigerator.
Are you sure you want to show that?
Oh, you know what? I gotta feed the cat. Where'd you go, Simba? I left the other cat in my picture.
He's in the picture.
Simba, come here. Hungry kitty? Come on. So we're gonna feed the cat. He only ate half of his dinner today. You better feed him. Okay, there you go, kitty. I think I'll have you listen to see how crazy you are when you eat. So I can't fit a lot in my kitchen. I do want to show you one thing we got today. Brand new dishwasher, because our other one broke so bad they weren't able to fix it. Other than that, and spending 2 hours cleaning up the mess it made last night. Sorry, I thought she was going to put 2 antennas up on me. So we really don't have a lot of cupboard space. So in lieu of that, we have a solution. We took and put up middle racks so we could put up all of our appliances and things. So I use a lot of mason jars when I cook things for cooking. It just stores really nice and it's easy to use. Use my dehydrator and my pressure cooker. All my dishes and all my cups fit right here. My baking stuff. You can't even fit a cereal box in my cupboard. So we have all of our storage stuff here. We got my blender, my chopper, and of course my waffle maker and my fry pan. It was really dark in our dining room, and so my son installed this light for us. Now if you notice above there, there's a duct, so he had to actually bring the wire over and then install a switch down by the table so I could actually turn it on and off. And the most important thing that we have in my kitchen is this. My vacuum sealer. We use it 3 or 4 times a day. That's it. This is what you're going to see me cooking in. And I hope that you enjoy it. Come back, like us, subscribe. And if you feel like supporting us on Patreon, we'd appreciate that because we really intend on giving you content that will help you, the average person who really don't like to cook, someplace to start with easy meals to make. See you later.